Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 2 of the little splash whale in Heartopia. So it is the green one, so it's the little green splash whale. You will find it near the entrance of the underwater area. So I'm just going to take a picture here. Whoops, accidentally press on that. All right. And then don't forget to give it a little boop. Wait, how do we do that? Okay. Boop. And then you'll find the bubble very close to it actually. Like you'll find it here. Whoops, I went past it. Sorry guys. And there we have it. That's our second one. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.